Filipino. 7 seconds to Mars. Hello. Jugs, thank you so much for following me, Jugs. Hi, Pat. Is your first time here in my live? Is your first time, Phoenix? But we're friends. Wow. Thank you. Can I? What? Can you what? You're American. Welcome to my life, Kevin. I think it's your first time, but we're friends. We're friends already. Wow. Thank you. Yeah, yes. Sorry. Thank you. Thank you. Raham. Thank you too. Welcome. What time is it now, Kevin? In the USA. US. Hello. Hi, Ken. Sarap may kabembang, te. Ay, Raymart, bimbangin mo na lang yung kapitbahay mo. Second to Mars, thank you for staying. Jugs, 8:47 p.m. Eat your dinner. You already eat your dinner? Scorpion, hello, ayun. Binimbang ka na sa hangin. Katuloy. That's good. I think you need to rest. You need to rest early because you need to work tomorrow, right? I think you have work tomorrow. ID number, hello, kalami ba? Yuki, ang dami kang grrr. Migs. Hello, Migs. Yukimi Nagata. Yukimi Nagata. Good morning. Hi, Sa. New Sun. Sun 2. Nabembang tuloy siya palabas. Nabembang palabas. Daldal kasi.